Welcome guys, this is Imanshu. Today we will talk about freedom of profession, occupation, trade or business in this topic. And before starting this topic, I would like to, quote a particular image that is, please, have some big dreams to achieve for. The first main point is freedom of profession, occupation, trade or business is guaranteed to all the citizens as per the Article 19. Article 19 guarantees you these rights: freedom of profession, occupation, trade or business. Okay, you can do anything. You can opt for any profession. You can do any kind of trade or business or occupation. Okay, this right is very wide in nature. Why do we say this? Because this right include all kind of earning ways by which a particular citizen can earn. Okay, and the third point is some reasonable restrictions can be imposed by the state on using these rights on the grounds of public interest. When it comes to public interest, a state can restrict these rights by imposing some kind of restrictions over it. Okay, and before opting for any kind of profession or doing business, the state can make announcements that prescribes professional as well as technical qualifications necessary for practicing any profession, doing occupation, trade or business. It is simple. It is all about having a particular qualification before starting anything. Okay, if you be a doctor, then you have to opt for same qualification that is suitable for becoming a doctor. Okay, and this right also talks about the state's freedom of practicing profession, doing occupation, trade or business. It is not only talk about citizens freedom of opting anything or doing anything. It is also talk about state's freedom of practicing profession, doing occupation, trade or business. A state can do any kind of business. A state can opt for any kind of thing, occupation as well. A state can do above things in a way of monopoly में भी कर सकता है, and in a way of partially considering the citizens for the activities. Okay, and state can include the citizens for their work or for their businesses. It can include that those persons, and while doing that thing, it need not to justify its monopoly. State need not to justify its monopoly while doing any kind of business or doing trade. Okay, freedom of profession, occupation, trade or business does not grant you the right of practicing immoral professions, businesses, trade and occupation. It is simple. You can't do anything that is in a view of law illegal. Okay, like trafficking in women and children, deal in drugs, and these kind of things you can't do. These are restricted things. Hence, the state can completely ban these things or regulate them through licensing. And this is all about today's topic. And thanks for watching this video and giving a valuable support. We will upload more important videos or important content regarding different kind of topics.